Welcome you to Param Consulting Engineers Private Limited. Param Consulting Engineers Private Limited is a leading MEP services consultancy company known as Param Electrical Consulting Engineers, which was founded in 2010. A strong team with MEP services, fast completion with high quality standards are our unique selling points and the perfect reason why you should engage us in your upcoming projects. Our mission is to provide our customer the best service through our practice of frank and honest communication, skilled workmanship and commitment to the utmost level of professionalism. And our vision to be the best in the field of consultancy and engineering services and provide all types of economical solution in this field under one roof. Why us? You can choose us to reduce overall project cost and increase system reliability, anchoring activity to ensure the completion of projects to meet the deadline, integrate with development team for smooth maintaining the life cycle of project. Basic design scope of electrical consultancy services are selection of basic design parameters from client based on the approved scheme, provide single line diagram, electrical layout, schematics, block diagrams, load details with application of diversity, cable sizes, etc. High and low voltage system. For high voltage system, we are providing designing for substation including transformer, DP structure, HC panel, meter room, cable trenches, single line diagram including alternate power supply through DG sets and integration of solar power, capacitor panel for power factor improvement, UPS supply to critical loads, earthing, cable trenches, LT cable system with termination and lighting arrestor. Internal and external lighting system. We are providing point wiring including general power receptacle, lighting layouts, external lighting layout. For low voltage services, communication system, EPBX, LAN and computer related services. Plumbing and firefighting consultancy services. The system is designed as per NBC 2016. Water requirement calculation, firefighting design as per standards, plumbing, firefighting, water tank drawings and their sections are as per architecture layouts, schematic of plumbing and firefighting system, sewage treatment plant, water treatment plant, harvesting are provided as per layouts. HVAC consultancy services. As you know, the climate condition of India is very different and weather is changed everywhere from Ladakh to Kanyakumari. For HVAC system, we are providing heat load calculations, designing of equipment and their sizes, duct sizes and layout, chiller and water piping system layout, ventilation of kitchen, basement and industrial projects. The most important part of an existing project is its healthy power, and we provide energy audit with best methodology in which we are analysis the power distribution, electrical load parameters are recorded. Based on the NOTI data, we find out the scope of energy saving. With detailed analysis of electrical bills, we can find out MDI and optimize the sanction load. Detailed review of existing power system. A report is provided with detailed review of existing power system in which we are providing detailed study of existing power system, recommendation of metering point and metering equipment, analysis of UPS, generator and other power sources, including study of power quality using data loggers, frequency, voltage harmonics, etc. Energy saving review. Many factors are affecting energy saving. We can save energy by maintaining power factor, by voltage optimization, by efficient lighting. Energy saving also done by line and load losses management. Energy saving by efficient equipment and by air conditioning system. In an energy audit, we are provide safety survey also, in which we are provide thermographic to locate hotspot and identify possible faults over points, earthing pit value evaluation and amount of leakage, test of earth leakage system, inspection the electrical system from safety point of view, recommendation for improvement in fire safety and protection. Other services are covered under consultancy services, in which we are provide evaluation of technical bids and forwarding our recommendations, assistance in placement of order, scrutiny and approval of working drawings submitted by contractors, inspection of tests for equipment including our scope if required, supervision during pre-commissioning test and final commissioning of the complete electrical installation, budget control, periodic inspections, implementation of energy saving measurements, BOQ and specifications. List of deliverables: load detail, single line diagram, equipment layout, layout of lighting and power point wiring, earthing layouts, cable routing, cable schedule, BOQs, specification of LT panel, transformer, DG set as required. As you see, we have lots of satisfied client here, so hope you are also recommend us to your family and friends for our best services and give us a chance to work with you for our best services. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.